The BRZ was one of the coolest cars I could have ever owned in my life. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This video is a little bit emotional right now. As you guys know, the BRZ was my absolute dream car. It got me to where I am at with cars today. If I never bought the BRZ, I don't think I ever would have bought this Civic right here. I don't think I would have ever engine swapped it because I would have never been interested in cars as much as I was. And with that, when I got in that accident, it kind of killed it for me. Now, a lot of people are like, you know, it was a little car accident, it wasn't a big deal, but to me, it like crushed my dreams and I lost a lot of feelings for the car. So I ended up getting rid of the BRZ. There she goes. And I'm super surprised I did it. Originally, when I was looking at cars, I really wanted a BMW. I wanted something that was more luxury and something that's a little bit more practical, but also fast as hell, and something that's gonna be a lot of fun. But unfortunately, I couldn't find the BMW I wanted. I really wanted an M240i in manual, and I could not find it. There was like 5 listings in the country for them at the time I was looking, and I don't know how many there are now, but I still can't find them. Now, I don't really want to make this video too long, and I don't want to make this video very sappy. And there's some personal reasons why buying this car hurt. Because it's not my normal purchase. It doesn't look like my normal purchase, but it is so much fun to drive and it is so fast, and it's just gonna get so much faster from now on. So pretty much with the BRZ, we took it in to get its repairs. Big shout out to my friend Angelina for taking me to get the repairs done. And the repairs I got from my boy Marco, and it looked fantastic. It looked really good. But knowing the damage was still done and the initial punch in the throat from it, I just didn't want the car anymore. And I had plans, I was actually gonna wide body it, but then I test drove a car and I was craving speed. If you guys drive a BRZ or know anyone who has a BRZ, they're not fast cars. They look fast, they sound fast, they're cool cars, but they're not fast. And that is one thing that, you know, I wanted something fast. And yeah, I could have boosted it, but that was gonna cost me like $4,500 at least for the kit and then dyno sessions to get it there. So instead I just bought a brand new car. And this car is different, but I hope you guys like it. Without further ado, here's my new car. Welcome to the channel, my 2016 Volkswagen Golf R. The biggest thing that really hurts about owning this car is that it's not Japanese, and I love Japanese cars, and I have no clue anything about Euro cars at all. But this car is incredible. A lot of people don't know about Golf Rs, but they're all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower from factory, 0 to 60 is like 4 seconds. They're incredibly quick, and the tuning capabilities on these things are wild. If you know anything about BMW and their tuning capabilities, $500 equates to about 100 horsepower. And the same rule applies to a Volkswagen Golf R or GTI. This car is either gonna give me a lot of hate or a lot of love, and I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna miss the BRZ dearly, but we are here chasing speed now. This car handles like a dream, it moves like a dream. There's gonna be plenty of content about this car. When I got the BRZ, I had a million plans for it. The only problem was, the BRZ is a car I learned everything in. That was the first car I worked on. That was the first car I've ever modified. That was the first stick car I've ever driven, and I kind of destroyed it. Yeah, it was clean in videos and pictures, but the bumper was held on by spare nuts and bolts, and it wasn't so hot no more. So by owning this car, the build plan can actually go more seriously now. I have a lot of experience from 1, the BRZ, and 2, the Civic, that I'll be able to bring into this car. Now this car does have some work done to it already, and we'll get into that in another video because I'm not quite sure what's actually done to this car, but it's stuff we might end up changing out or whatever regardless. But this car, I'm planning to have over 500 horsepower in it and be an absolute unit. So I really hope you guys enjoy this car as much as I love this car already. This car it's luxury and it's fast and it's all-wheel drive, so I'm more than hype on this car. So I hope you guys are hyped too. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. If you guys could please do me a few things: comment, like, subscribe, keep doing the fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.